Shri Matre Namaha. I'm sharing with you this beautiful process of consecration and joy and celebration that I did today. So, here is Sri Lalita Ambika, and I was fortunate enough to do two sets of Khadagmala puja for a friend of mine who had requested this for his twin children's birthday. And in this puja, I could offer two heart shaped rose quartz crystals. Another one here for the Tripura Sundari, there are three hearts. And other than that, I offered the healing stones or the healing crystals for each of the seven chakras. So as you can see, they are of different healing stones that can balance and heal us. And my friend was very kind enough to share this beautiful set of books to me as a gift, which I am truly grateful for. And then I did the Linga Bhairavi Upasana with the chanting of the Linga Bhairavi Stuti and the Aarti to her. And I also offered Ma this beautiful set of seven hearts of different colors. Then here is the Kumkum Archana material that I used. I used the Kumkum from Madurai, Kamakshi Peetham. Then I used this Abhishekam powder, and then I used the Ashwagandha powder and the sandalwood powder. Also, I consecrated my Shiva space today, and I was very fortunate to welcome the set of Nagas and could offer a real snakeskin as an offering. I also offered a black tourmaline heart to one of the Nagas and a black tourmaline ball uh, to Kal Bhairava and the Nagas. So I totally enjoyed this beautiful ceremony of bliss and amazing grace.